Hello, my YouTube family. What is this? Find your tax reporting document online. US tax information reporting and withholding. Submit US tax informations. Google can't provide advice on tax issues. For help with your tax situations, consult your tax advisor. Depending on your locations, Google may be required to collect tax related information from you. If you have to provide your tax information to Google, you can do so from the Google Payment Center. Not everyone is required to provide tax information. Provide tax information. Number 1. Sign into the Google Payment Center. Number 2. Under setting next to United Tax Info, click Edit. Number 3. Click Manage Tax Informations and Tax Info. To find your completed tax information, follow these same instructions. Withholding and reporting. Google has a regulatory responsibility under Chapter 3 of the US Internal Revenue Code to withhold tax and report where a non-US partner receives US source income. It also has obligations under Chapter 61 and Sections 346 of the US Internal Revenue Code to perform backup withholding were applicable. The tax information submitted to Google is used to identify the correct rate of withholding on future payment made to you. Where applicable, if reporting is applicable, Google provides a reporting from Form 1042S or Form 1099 annually. If you have been validated document as a non-US business or individual, only the portion of your revenue earned from US users is subject to US withholding taxes and reporting. These are revenues such as advertising, views, transactions, and subscriptions that are generated from usage in the United States. US partners should provide a valid US tax identification number to indicate exemptions from US tax without withholding, including under Chapter 3 of the US Internal Revenue Code. The US withholding tax rate that applies is based on the tax documents you are provided to Google. If a valid tax form is not provided, Google may apply backup withholding at 24% or Chapter 3 without withholding at 30% and applicable payments. This rate may only be reduced if you are a tax resident of a country or region that has an income treaty with the US and you provide a valid tax form with a valid treaty claim. You can find the finalized amount withheld in your monthly earning reports. Backup withholding. In some cases, Google may be required to withhold 24% pays on all eligible earnings, including if the tax information entered your tax form is found to be incorrect and inaccurate, and you are presumed to be a US person under the US tax withholding presumptions rules. If you have had earnings withheld from a payment, it is because our records indicated that you were subject to tax withholding at the time of payment. If you don't believe that you are subject to tax withholding, please update the tax information in your account. Reporting. If you have received eligible payments from Google, we all provide a year-end tax form to you and the Internal Revenue Service (IRS). The form will be a 1099 or 1042 as depending on your tax status. The form delivery options and status are year and tax forms can be found in setting manage tax info. You can choose online delivery of digital tax document or select paper mail. If you select online delivery, you will receive document online only. If you select paper mail, we will send document to the mailing address provided on your tax form and your document will still be available online. If your mailing address has changed, update your tax information in your payments profile. Google will use the information you submitted on the US tax form in your payments profile. Thank you very much.